Prior to me turning 50, I was feeling anxious. Sabi ko, oh my God, alam mo, parang 3 months ako umiiyak. Nagpa-flashback lahat ng mga nangyari sa buhay ko na how I wish I was 20 again. So when I suddenly turned 50, sabi ko, you know what, I should just embrace it. Kasi it's a blessing to still be alive, to still be healthy, to still have work at my age. That's why in the beginning of the year, I started working out and I started moving, exercising. Mas dumoble pa yung effort, yung conscious effort ko. You know, as we get older, lahat tayo nagkakaroon ng acidity minsan. And then, ang sarap ng juices because even after I work out, umiinom ako ng juice, ng Lux Slim juice sa gabi. Walang acidity whatsoever. And that's what I love. I personally would love to try natural remedies first. Like taking care of my health, taking care of my skin, using lots of creams like my lotion. I put it talaga from head to toe. Bago ako, you know, mag-cosmetic surgery. Sa mga nagsasabi dyan na nagpaparitoke ako, no offense sa mga nagpaparitoke, pero never pa ako nagpaparitoke. It's more of just enhancing the features that I already have.